years old beautiful girl suffering from multiple sclerosis. She was well dressed, had short hair, bob cut with sharp features, but a very serious face with communicating eyes. As if she is expressing her orders through her eyes. Straight neck, erect back with stiffness and haughtiness. Her behavior was very egoistic. While consulting, I noticed she looked disabled and her face totally fatigued. She was supporting herself by resting her hands on the table, sometimes resting her back on the wall. Her movements were restricted. The patient came with catheterization suggestive of urinary retention. Her complaints were as follows: loss of power of both lower limb since 1.5 months. Diplopia with blur vision. Ailment from all the complaints started with headache and fever. From third day, limb power decreased, followed by diplopia of vision. Ailment from all complaints started with headache and fever, and since third day, muscle power is losing with diplopia. Generalities: desire sweet, spicy, ice cream. Aversion to vegetable food. Dreams as if she started walking and friends are gossiping. Thermals towards chili. Her consultation as follows: please tell me about your nature since childhood. I have just completed 12th science. Now I will take admission for engineering. I am very obstinate. I have one brother and one sister. My brother is in engineering college. I am brought up in Chinchwad. Since childhood, everyone cares for me, maybe because I am the youngest. When do you get angry? I get angry easily and I express it immediately, especially if anyone points out my mistake. I feel whatever I am doing is right. I feel bad, anger, if anyone points out my mistake. Once our teacher gave us a sum, mathematical sum, to solve. Before saying it, he declared, "You couldn't solve them. They are wrong." So I got angry on him. I show him my sum, which were right. I feel that people simply trouble me. During my test series examination, when we were writing the paper, our sir told us to stop because the paper setting was wrong. I got angry at that time, as I had written the paper very nicely. I got less marks in 12th standard, that is 87%, and I was expecting 90 or above. I always get less marks than my expectation. Previously, I was calm. I had very few friends. From 11th standard, I started enjoying. We had a nice big group of friends. I enjoyed myself with my friends. When do you get tense? I do get tense. I am nervous if anything is against my will or not as per my expectation. I feel sad if my close one have any problem. Example, one of my friend had convulsion recently 2 to 3 days back. He met with an accident and expired. He was going to come to meet me that day. Again, one more friend of mine has a bad time since her mother tells her to do all the household work, although she was ill. After hearing their problems, I keep on thinking of the same. I feel bad for them, but I never interfere in any of the problems. I always had close friendship. I like soft music, ghazals, and I like to read poems. What are your dreams? Dreams of exam. I have left my paper incomplete. I am not in time for the exam.